and it starts to look like a room with all the drywall up and the shower boarded, and we have the heating cable in for the whole floor and nice slim curb from the 2-inch curdy board put in, and we are heating the shower floor because we will have a nice zebra natural stone tile on the floor and the walls. Yeah, we are just need to waterproof everything, tape the seams and penetrations, put the curdy membrane over the heating cable in the shower, put the curdy membrane on the ceiling here which we are tiling, but we already are on the way with the drywall finishing with this chamfer bead corner details on both pieces of the both corners of the bulkhead. So yes, mold resistant drywall compound, and if you follow what we do on every project, we'll skim coat the whole thing to avoid that raised paper grain when the primer hits the paper. So we'll skim coat the whole thing, nice and clean white, and some super cool black tile coming soon on this floor. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.